Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to our Career Talk, where we bring you inspiring stories and real life insight from professionals across different fields. I am Priyanka and I'm glad to have my co-host Saira here. Saira, would you like to say a few words before we introduce our guest?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, hi everybody. This is Sarah. I'm from Coimbatore. I'm a career counselor operating from Tamil Nadu. Me, along with my colleague Priyanka, are absolutely delighted to have you on board. We actually help people understand the various careers and their walk of life so that the students who are watching this can understand the life of a physiotherapist and allied services. So, welcome on board, Siddhi and your team. We are very
Yeah,
delighted to have you over here.
thank you so much. Thank you.
So, before we start, I just want to say physiotherapy is a wonderful blend of science and compassion. It plays a vital role in restoring movement, reducing pain, and enhancing overall well being. Now, it's a pleasure to welcome Dr. Siddhi here, who will be sharing her inspiring journey, career experience, and valuable advice for our students who are curious about this meaningful profession. Welcome, Dr. Siddhi. We are delighted to have you here. Please brief yourself.
Thank you so much. First of all, thank you for having me here. And yes, of course, I am Dr. Siddhi Acharya. I am having a 15 years of experience in this field. Right now, I am working with the Curious Orthopedic in the Physiotherapy Clinic in Kharadi. I am
Yes.
certified in the manual therapy, matrix therapy, laser therapy, shockwave therapy, dry needling therapy, and specialization in the shoulder rehabilitation. So, this is the brief introduction from my side. Now, over to you guys.
Good to know, actually, and that's great, actually. So,
Yeah,
Siddhi,
it's so relatable actually. It's so related to all the fields because almost everybody at home these days have some ailment or the other, and it's
Yeah.
completely related.
yes.
Correct.
So, we'll start with our conversation. Siddhi, what inspired you to become a physiotherapist?
My biggest inspiration was my father. My father was a doctor, and I saw him to serve the people with his knowledge, and I want to become like him. And why the physiotherapy? Physiotherapy is a perfect blend of a science and the care, as Priyanka told, right? And I always curious about how the nerve, muscle, and the joint create the movement, and how the basic simple exercises can help the body recover naturally without medication. That fascinated me a lot. And this curiosity became the passion. And that's why I choose the physiotherapy.
And you're so
That's so
happy
nice.
here. As a physiotherapist, you're happy also as well, no?
Yes, definitely. Yes, sure.
So, what's a typical day like in your profession, if we talk
Ev-
about?
yeah. Yeah. Every day is a different day, actually. And that's what I love about my field. I meet every day a different people who need a rehabilitation after the surgery and the injuries. I help the kid and the young age group who need a postural correction. I help the old age who need a mobility training. So you can say it's a mixture of a movement, conversation, and the small victories when the people say, I can walk without pain today.
That's
Wow,
great, and
that's incredible. Yeah.
Yeah.
that's so satisfying, no? When you hear this, no, from anyone.
Yes, very satisfying, very satisfying.
And if we talk about for a student, actually, so what skill or qualities are important for this career?
Filled, yes. The patience and the empathy for sure.
Yeah.
The people who are coming to you are oftenly in the pain and the frustrated. So your major goal is to listen them and encourage them first of all.
Yeah.
And of course I want to say the good observation skill and ability to communicate exercise clearly are the key.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah. So that's great,
Yeah,
actually. This is,
Yes. This. Yes.
we should, as a physiotherapist, she needs to understand a patient's pain as her own. Only then I think she could.
Correct. That's why I told you first the patience and the empathy for sure. There's two quality the person should have it.
Very, very true. Very true. Yes.
and what
So nice.
interest, according to you, what interest and personality a child or student should have if they are looking for this career?
As I told you, the good observation skill, patience, good listening skill, and the power to motivate someone with your positivity. You have to
Yes.
give your positivity to your patients so they can relate with you, they can believe you, and they can encourage their self to do the better for themselves.
Yes, that's true actually. So, yes, Saira, you can continue now.
Yeah, as you said, yes, it's not only the mobility which you would give, but even your words would do the healing for the patient, and that's very
Yes,
important.
correct.
Okay, what are the courses or the stream of study a physiotherapist can do? What are the proper type of guideline roadmap for that?
Okay, the student can do a Bachelor of Physiotherapy after a 12 science. It's a 4.5 year course. And student can do a Master of Physiotherapy also. It's a 2 years course, specialization in the ortho, neuro, cardiac, pedia, gynec, and the sports and the rehabilitation. These are the specialties, okay? But I must say the students should get a proper practical exposure during this study time. That's helped them a lot.
Very true. Okay, basically it's 4.5 years, and it has half a year of internship also, I guess, right?
Four
Or
years is
1 year?
a theoretical, 4 years a theoretical part, and the 6 month is the internship.
Okay,
Okay.
that's nice. So, and if you want to specialize, we can do 2 more years in every.
2 more years. Yeah, 2 more years.
Okay, that's nice. Fine. And there's always been a confusion whether a physiotherapist can be called a doctor or not. So, how is this confusion actually getting cleared now? I've always heard, yes, they can call doctors, and sometimes they say no, it's not Aish approved. So, what is the status as of
No,
now?
now you can call a doctors. Yes, definitely.
Wow,
It's a
that's very
fight
nice
many
because
years back. Yeah, so that we can call a doctor or not. But yes, 15-20 years we cleared it. We are certified as a doctor, as a physiotherapist certified as a doctor. Yeah.
very true. Not to put down the other doctors, but still, you guys do actually
Yes.
do a very, very good job. I
Yes.
mean,
Yes.
you can see
Now,
instant remedy. Yeah,
correct. It's a slow process, but it's healing. And nowadays, every field need a physio. The gynec also need a physio. Ortho also need a physio. Neuro, pedia, every field need a physiotherapy.
very true. Very true. Okay. So, as a physiotherapist, what are the challenges you face in your everyday life? Or as a student, what is the challenges he needs to be ready for?
Challenges, yes, of course. It's a little physically tiring too. And long working hours. Dealing with the person who lose their motivation on a halfway. That's the biggest challenge. You have to motivate them. Okay. And now rewards, yes, of course, to see someone regain their strength and back to their normal life because of your help. That was an amazing feeling. And that gives you a different satisfaction. And this field actually gives you a daily satisfaction.
Very true, very true. You can see miracles happen in seconds also. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm sure you would have many cases who come crying and then they go back smiling.
They're
to their-
different. Yes, smiling now, ma'am. I'm happy. I am less pain. I can walk. Like they come with the limp and they go with the little straight walk. They are so happy. Yes, ma'am. Now I'm happy to independently, perfectly. I can walk.
Yeah, that's very true. And thankfully, people are more aware of it. Initially, they were not
Yeah.
very much aware of the physiotherapy. But now,
Yes. Nowadays, they understand the value of physiotherapy because, see, our lifestyle, our food habits, everything is changed than the past times, right? So that's why the physical fitness is nowadays very important in the daily routine.
very true. Okay.
And most
So,
of us are very
and-
much fitness freak as well. So, yeah, everybody is saying,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before, now people are more aware of all this and we are more into fitness.
Yes, definitely.
So, finally, what are your words of advice for a student who wants to become a physiotherapist?
If you genuinely enjoy helping people and interested in the human anatomy, go for this field. And don't choose just as a backup of a medical field, because
Yes,
this field also
that is
required a
important.
This field also required a keep learning a new techniques and attend many workshop. This field required a patience and the passion, both the combination.
Very true. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, if you don't have the passion, then you would always be comparing yourself to the medicine, I mean, the doctor.
Right.
That is actually
You have your own space. You have to just grow in that space. You no need to compare your field to the other field. You have to just grow and go and continue with your path.
Yes, very true.
That is a great
Okay,
advice, actually. Children generally thinks physiotherapy is maybe a backup plan, but it is not actually.
It's not a backup plan.
I always fascinated Siddhi, with this field.
Yeah.
I always told you also. Yeah.
Yes.
And with the advancement of sport careers and all, I mean, I think it's really doing well. Sports
Yeah, it's
studios.
really sports rehabilitation. Also nowadays, the kids also so much involved in the sports from the very early age, at the 5 and 6, so they can also get minor injuries. So yeah.
Yeah, very true. Okay, how different is your field from a chiropractor or an occupational therapist? I'm just asking
Chiropractic is the part of physiotherapy. Some physiotherapy can certified in the chiropractic, and they can like a matrix therapy, like a manual therapy. Okay, the chiropractic is the one type of therapy. Okay, fine. Technique. You can say it a technique. Okay, so physiotherapists can learn it and can use it in their field. Okay, first of all, it's a one type of technique. And occupational therapist is also a different field. They have a totally different from the physiotherapist. Okay, so these three are not comparable, but yes, a chiropractic physiotherapy can do that chiropractic.
Oh,
but occupational therapy is a totally different field.
Okay. Because in India, all these terms we don't hear much, so people get confused with chiropractor and occupational therapy. So.
Yeah, the physiotherapy can do the practice of chiropractic if it is certified. If he or she is certified, they can learn this technique, certified in that technique, and they can use it in their field.
So
but
that
occupational
is like
therapy is a different.
Okay. Yeah. Fine. Thank you, Siddhi. I mean, that was very insightful. Thank you for making many limping to smiling people. So you are here to create a lot of difference in people's life. Thank you so much to have you here.
Thank you so much.
And I'm sure the people who are watching here can have a very clear idea that what is physiotherapy, and it's no less than a field of a doctor, a medicine follower.
Yes, definitely not.
Yeah, thank you once again for having us here.
Yes, thank you so much.
It was so insightful, and it was a short session, but it was really definitely will be helpful for a student as well. So
yes.
Yeah, for our guest, if they want to add here something, they are most welcome. Yeah, so on this note, thank you so much, Siddhi, for sharing your valuable insight with us today. And it was truly an enlightening conversation with you. We appreciate your time and expertise. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, both of you, giving me this platform so I can share my thoughts and experience. Thank you.
Thank you.